Malik Saab, this is the tradition of Marketing Association of Pakistan to invite different marketing gurus from different industries of Pakistan. And today, sir, we have invited you on a very special topic, and inshallah, our members will definitely enjoy your presentation. This will definitely give you an idea to interact with each other, give job opportunities to each other, and give business opportunities to each other. Mr. Niaz Malik was Deputy CEO of Zong and vibrant force behind bringing 4G into Pakistan market. He also served the organization as Chief Commercial Officer, Chief Strategy Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief Regulatory Officer, Chief of Corporate Sales, Head of Mobile Financial Services, Chief Spokesman of China Mobile in Pakistan, and Chief Innovation Officer. He also served PTCL as its Executive Vice President, Information Systems, Executive Vice President IT, Executive Vice President Corporate Sales and Product Development, and Chief Information Officer of PTCL. He is a certified management consultant who has over 2 decades of experience in Fortune 50 companies in the North American market within fields of finance, B2B, health, telecom, insurance, and banking and fund management. The brand names in his portfolio include Cigna, Aetna, Wall Street, Mass Mutual, Oppenheimer Fund, Canadian Institute for Health and Information, Sun Life Financial, Mashreq Bank, to name a few. After his tragic accident, Mr. Malik now acts as motivational speaker, columnist, corporate trainer, mentor, and senior business advisor to large-scale groups in Pakistan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Niaz Malik. Mr. Niaz basically make his speech from his own seat, and inshallah, you guys will definitely enjoy it. Thank you very much.